Good morning. Blooms today. This big, huge petals, ruffled iris. It's from Mid-America. And the name is Shadow Bands. Shadow Bands is, I planted this last year in August 12, and it blooms also. And I think this consider is multicolor, and this is a ruffled iris. I noticed they more become ruffled if more exposed to the full sun, because this area I have no more room to plant them except to the part sun area only, because this is very close to the shades and the fences. They don't get much sunlight here, but they still grow and bloom, and it thickens also, even though it's not full sun. But it's very, I was amazed because it's a big flower. You can see multicolor on it. You can see some plum and wine looking color on it, and on the pole petal, and they have a run of white, and the beard is bright orange, or yeah, and the edges of the pole petal there is a trace of purple, and on the standard top petal is white, and you can see some yellowish thing around it. And let's see the top one. Oh, it's a bright yellow there in the top one. That's the very middle of the iris, where some breeder pollinate those up there when they're blooming like that. So this is the looks of it, multicolor iris, and the name is Shadow Bands, and it's a first bloom, and when you look to it, they have already some baby there, probably one, I think two baby on, maybe you can say three baby it produced. Yeah, next year I will divide this, but because to let the rhizome get bigger and establish. So that's the name, Shadow Bands from Mid-America iris, ruffled.